located on the northeast quad of Lake Gaston, just off the main lake. The street entrance of the home has easy access into the open floor plan. Home has been completely renovated. Some of the features are new flooring, crown molding, painted throughout, new granite countertops, tile backsplash, all new appliances, all new bathrooms and so much more. Main level master bedroom with large master bath featuring soaking tub, separate shower, his and her sinks and don't miss the his and hers closets. Great room with stone accent fireplace, dining room, breakfast nook and gourmet kitchen with a laundry room, bath, and room that is currently being used as a playroom finish the main level. Upstairs has an open area, 3 bedrooms 2 of which have lake views and 1 full updated bath. 2-car garage. Multi-level decks lead to main lake protected cove with good water and views. Home situated close to WF.